Frustration. It creeps in when life doesn't go our way, when plans fall apart, people disappoint us, or our expectations are crushed. But how did the wisest minds in history handle this emotion? Aristotle, the legendary Greek polymath, believed that true strength is shown not by outbursts, but by inner mastery. While he wasn't technically a Stoic, his teachings align remarkably with Stoic practices, especially when it comes to handling frustration. Today, we'll dive into 7 Stoic practices, grounded in Aristotle's philosophy, that will help you master frustration, not just suppress it. Practice 1. Master your inner state. Self-mastery is virtue. Aristotle taught that virtue lies in balance, not in extremes. And frustration is an emotional extreme, a loss of balance. The first step: train your inner world to remain unmoved by the chaos outside. This echoes the Stoic idea that you cannot control events, only your response to them. Your job is to cultivate sophrosyne, the Greek word for self-control or temperance. So next time frustration hits, ask, what part of this is truly in my control? Control your reaction, that's where your power lies. Practice 2. Expect disruptions. Premeditatio malorum. Both Stoics and Aristotle believed in practical wisdom. One key Stoic practice is premeditatio malorum, imagining things going wrong before they do. This isn't pessimism, it's preparation. Aristotle called this phronesis, practical wisdom. When you plan for failure, delays, or opposition, you diminish the power they have over you when they come. A delayed flight, a rude coworker, a failed attempt, they don't surprise you. You anticipated them. You're ready. Mentally rehearse setbacks before they arrive. Practice 3. Understand human nature. Don't expect lions to bark. Aristotle believed that all beings act according to their nature, including humans. So when someone behaves foolishly or selfishly, it's not about you. It's their nature expressing itself. The Stoics echoed this. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You must remember that every man acts according to his nature. Can you be surprised when the fig tree produces figs? Stop expecting lions to bark or snakes to fly. Understand and accept that people will act according to who they are, not who you wish they were." Power takeaway. Frustration fades when expectations align with reality. Practice 4. Delay reaction, the pause of power. Aristotle emphasized deliberate action. He said the wise man does not act on impulse, but on reason. Frustration thrives on immediacy, but dies in delay. The Stoics advised a pause, a moment of silence before reacting. Count to 5. Take a breath. Ask, will this matter in a day? A month? A year? That pause is not weakness. It's the breathing space of the wise. Breathe. Wait. Respond with reason, not rage. Practice 5. Reframe the situation. Cognitive reframing, a psychological tool, has ancient roots. Aristotle said that perception is the beginning of all knowledge. If we perceive wrongly, we suffer unnecessarily. The Stoics practiced reframing. They believed that events themselves are not harmful, only our judgments about them cause suffering. Ask yourself, what else could this mean? What is this teaching me? How can this serve me? That's how a wise mind turns frustration into fuel. Example *. Instead of, "This project failed," say, "This taught me what not to do next time." Quote slide *. Change the lens, change the emotion. Practice 6. Live according to your telos, purpose. Aristotle introduced the concept of telos, your ultimate purpose. Everything in nature has a purpose, and frustration often arises when we feel disconnected from ours. Stoics lived with logos, rational order. They believed we should live in harmony with nature and reason. When you know your telos, your mission, the petty annoyances lose power over you. Frustration is a signal, not a stop sign. It's asking, are you aligned with your deeper purpose? Takeaway *. When you serve something greater, your ego suffers less. Practice 7. Embrace the obstacle is the way. Aristotle taught that virtue is forged in action, especially when facing difficulty. A courageous man becomes so by doing courageous things, not by avoiding fear. Likewise, the Stoics believed that the obstacle itself is the path. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "What stands in the way becomes the way." So when frustration arises, don't resist it. Face it. Train with it. Grow stronger through it. That's the Stoic warrior's path, and it aligns perfectly with Aristotle's vision of eudaimonia, flourishing through challenge. On-screen motivation asterisk. Don't go around it. Go through it. Become better because of it. Frustration will visit. It always does. But it doesn't have to own you. Through Aristotle's timeless wisdom and Stoic discipline, you can stand unmoved, calm in the chaos. You are not a slave to emotion. You are a sculptor of your own mind. 7 practices. 1 mindset. Unshakable. If this video helped you see frustration differently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this wisdom. This is Aristotle, where ancient minds guide modern lives. If you want to go deeper into Stoicism and Aristotle's teachings, check out our video on **How to Control Your Mind the Stoic Way**. It's the perfect next step.